everyone, my name is Sofia Bits. I'm a 29 years old production designer, model, and a vivid admirer of Paris. Today, Parisian Vibe invited me to talk about transitional pieces I wear in autumn while showing you some of my favorite spots in Paris. My first visit to Paris was with my best friend for her birthday. She was studying at Sorbonne at the time. She has planned the whole trip and we created many fun memories together. Paris in autumn is full of changing colors on the trees, which pops against the typically beige architecture. The weather can change rather quickly. It can be raining in the morning and very sunny in the afternoon. Dressing well during the season in Paris means that I can enjoy the sightseeing outside and inside while staying warm and comfortable. My transitional essentials are a white short, trench coat, cashmere sweater or a turtleneck and jeans, always in a neutral color palette. Right now we are heading to the first district of Paris and my all-time favorite conditoraya. Most of the times you have to queue to get in, so make sure to take it into account. My favorite dish is tempura udon. I'm wearing an oversized cream sweater with black skirt and casual mules. One of my favorite styling tricks is to pair a casual look with a statement bag. Let's head to another place located in the same first district of Paris, Matcha Social Club. I am wearing a classical Parisian look with a twist. Camel trench, little black dress, silk scarf worn as a choker, and casual boots. This is a perfect day-to-night look to me. Parisian streets are full of monochromatic outfits, with some of the most favorite colors being black or navy. Personally, I don't mind if the whole Paris was dressed in black. I love black. All black or classic outfits give away a feeling of conservativeness mixed with elegance. Monochrome looks help keep a look clean and easy. I love experimenting with the textures. Personally, I'm also really inspired by color and seeing how people can wear it. Incorporating color in your wardrobe can be intimidating, as you need to coordinate it with the rest of the outfit and color palette. There are some interesting colorful outfits you can spot on the streets of Paris, which I always admire. Let's head to Bourse de Commerce. Once a commodities exchange, it's now an exhibition site of the Pinault collection since 2021. François Pinault, as you probably know, is the founder of the French luxury group Kering, which has ownership in such luxury brands as Gucci, Balenciaga, Saint Laurent, and many others. It's one of those places you will either love or hate. A little tip: once you're finished with the exposition, you can head up to their new cafe restaurant upstairs for some unforgettable views of Paris, open for lunch and dinner. When in Paris, I always check exhibitions and events taking place in Polo de Tokyo, Rodin Museum, Louis Vuitton Foundation, and Pompidou Center. I love contemporary art. This is another city look: oversized denim jacket, sweater, and a silk skirt paired with tappy shoes. A very comfortable yet elegant combination. The last look is the vintage blazer, which is slightly oversized yet tailored, paired with skinny jeans and high heels. I don't normally wear matching rings and earrings, but I like how it looks on this particular occasion. Hope you enjoyed this little trip with me. Let us know in the comments below if you liked any particular outfit, and see you next time. Bye!